Being a product owner isn't about managing a backlog. Every day brings hundreds of decisions. What should we build? What should wait? This is where Agile Yogi helps. AI organizes information, uncovers patterns, and reveals what matters most. Prioritize with confidence. Discover hidden dependencies. Focus on customer value.
These AI suggestions are spot on. Let's approve this plan.
AI handles the repetitive work, so product owners can focus on strategy. Because great product owners don't just manage products, they create clarity.
In Q1, we focus on foundation. By Q4, we'll achieve optimization.
Empower your product owners with AI. Learn practical AI skills with Agile Yogi and build better products with confidence.